what's your name?
Myself, Parth Mohan Rai. Came from Lucknow especially to be attend this session.
So what brings you here today?
I am with Goyla School of Finance since 2019, and there are two reasons which I mainly to come here. The number one is I just meet the person which I choose to follow since very long, and second one is some need to discuss some financial planning for myself.
एक्चुअली मैंने गोयला सर की वीडियोस मैं पिछले 2 साल से देख रहा हूँ, एंड अब जैसे इनकी वर्कशॉप हो रही है सर की, तो मौका मिला आने का, तो उनको मतलब लाइव देखने का एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस है, तो इसलिए मैं आया हूँ।
सर को बस अभी चैनल पे ही देखा था, आज ऑफलाइन देखा तो मतलब यकीन नहीं हुआ।
Here I want to learn something more excited, that how I can plan my long-term financial plans and all. For that purpose, I with my son to have an exposure of the finance.
I want to say confident. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever Delhi.
Create for myself, because it's my nature of job to have that daily setup of the market trading and everything, which I could not just create it for myself. I want to create for my son.
I like to travel a lot. Wish to pursue a career of a travel blogger full time. For that 6 महीने 1 साल if you traveling you need IT से job छुट्टी मिलेगी नहीं, so you need income to sustain that lifestyle.
For example, for monthly income, more than 50% of.
Definitely, Mamta. Today I'm going to meet myself here.
I'm here to just know new things which I don't know in finance.
है ना, जैसे कोई न्यूज़ आ गई, फिर कुछ हो गया, हमें लगता है कि कंपनी खत्म हो जाएगी तो फटाफट निकाल दो।
Actually, I'm from economics background, but I have so much interest in finance because of my friend. She got so much excited that please, ma'am, just go there. There are a lot of new things which you know about finance and all the financial market.
जबकि अल्टीमेटली कंपनी पे कोई इफेक्ट ही नहीं होता है, वो उसके ना सप्लाई चेन पे ना ही डिमांड पे, और हम शॉर्ट टर्म में तो हाइपर हो जाते हैं कि फटाफट बेच देते हैं।
3, 2, 1,
My name is Disha Lokhande.
So how was your experience today?
Very good, very good. I learned a lot of.
The learning I got from here, so it was completely great, and I am looking forward to my portfolio generation from now onward.
7 foundations that have been told in this, and we are truly thankful to the Goyla brothers for this.
वेरी गुड, बिकॉज अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता तो मैं ये बोलूँगा कि अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो तो एटलीस्ट आप कुछ हद तक समझ के पाओगे कि मार्केट के जितने भी हमारे प्रो एंड कॉन्स हैं, एटलीस्ट उसके बारे में पता चलेगा, सो दैट कि हम लॉस अगर कर भी रहे हैं तो ज़्यादा बड़ा लॉस नहीं होगा। प्रॉफिट तो मैं कभी गिनूंगा ही नहीं कि प्रॉफिट कितना बड़ा होता है, बिकॉज वो इन्फिनिटी लेवल तक जा सकता है।